Hello friends, call me Mr. Felix. As usual, you're watching DigiFlex Cyber Tech Tutorials. Feel welcomed. Most of my friends have asked me to upload a video on how to install the Internet Download Manager. I know last time I uploaded a video on some of the best internet downloading softwares. So one of them was the Internet Download Manager. So this time we are going to take a look at this. So it is not a very long process, a very short one. So just be patient and follow each of my steps and all will be fine. So the first thing we need to do before we download our software is to disable the antivirus in our computer. Currently I'm using the Kaspersky antivirus, so I'll have to disable it. So I'll open the Kaspersky antivirus, I'll get to settings, then the protection and disable it. Well done. I'll be using UC browser for the installation of my software, so I'll open my UC browser. I'll paste the link. This link is available in the video description. So immediately after watching this video, take a look at the video description. You'll find the link. There goes the website. It's called Get It to PC. When you get to this website, you'll get very many types of IDM. This IDM 6.28 build 17, IDM 6.28 build 9, build 10. There are very many types, but this doesn't make much sense to us. What you need is the software, but I advise you to go for the latest version. So as you can see, this was just uploaded some 5 months ago. So I'll click this IDM 2.8 build 17 free download. So I'll just scroll down. When you scroll down, you will get this download icon. Let me see it. Here's the icon, the Internet Download Manager icon. So we'll click this link. So you'll be waiting for access from the Linux servers. So here comes a problem. I know many guys have been experiencing this problem. So this happens when you have an ad blocker activated in your browser. So in my case, my ad blocker is active, so I'll have to disable it. This is quite simple. So come to the home icon. I'll right click the home icon, then open the ad blocker menu and disable these settings. So when I get back to my window, I'll click to proceed, then click here to proceed. So this will going to take some bit of time, actually like 1 second, depending on the internet speed. So so my download is almost, so I'll click download. You can specify the path of your download from here, but for my case it's already specified, so I'll just click the download. Depending on the internet speed, this is only 10 MB, so it's not going to take too much time. So I'll be back when the download is done. And finally my download is done. So from the UC download window, I'll click this folder, open folder, and I'll be taken direct to the folder where my IDM has been stored. Here's the file. So the file is in zip format. It has been zipped, so we have to extract it. So I'll right click, or then extract to the Get It to PC. Extract to getitopc.com.idm.6.28 build 17. So I'll click that. So that is an extraction software. It's called WinRAR. When you don't have it, you can get it from the same website, Get It to PC. So there goes the folder. So when you open this folder, you will find very many applications. So the real software is the IDM 6.28 build 17.exe. So we'll have to install it. So we'll double click it, then yes. So as you can see, the setup is already taking place. Then next, accept the terms and license and agreement. Next, create an icon for IDM desktop. Next, finish. Our setup is done and the IDM will start automatically. Just in some few seconds and the IDM will be up. Yeah, here goes the IDM. So remember, our work is not yet done. Our main aim for the installation of this software was to get a cracked version. Remember, IDM is not a free software. and after 30 days of trial you'll have to download, you'll have to pay for its use. So we'll come to the task manager and to the tray and exit the software. So we get back to our main folder. So depending on your computer, if your computer is 62-bit operating system or 32-bit, you'll click the one that fits you best. So let's click the 64-bit for my case. So this is the patch that is going to crack our software. Next, install, executing command. The installation is going to take several minutes. So as you can see, please wait while IDM patch 6.8 is being installed. The installation will take several minutes. So actually this is not true. Depending on the speed of your computer, this is going to take a very little time. So the installation is almost done. The download is already the download is almost done. Let's test if our IDM is working. So as you can see, my IDM is up and running. I can download anything. What will happen is this: when you have Firefox browser, the Internet Download Manager extension will be incorporated immediately to your browser. But for the case of UC browser and Chrome browser, that's not the case, and we'll have to incorporate the extension manually. So let's try it out. What we'll do is very simple. So we'll locate where our Internet Download Manager has been installed. So I'll come to this PC, Windows 10 Pro, then the program files. So let me look for it here. Here goes the Internet Download Manager. So I'll be looking for a specific icon, that is the IDM GCE extension.crx. So this just stands for IDM extension crack. So what I'll do, I'll copy this extension. So there are many ways of doing it, but instead of copying it, I'll drag it. So what I'll do, I'll open my Chrome browser. At the same time, I'll open my UC browser. Once my Chrome browser open, I'll come to the settings. So it's still loading. I'll come to the settings, then more tools, then the extension window. So the extension is already there. So let me just delete this one so that we do it fresh. Then let me do the same to my Chrome browser, to my UC browser. For the case of UC, I'll come and click this, then I'll go to extensions. Let me just delete this, remove. So we'll be doing it afresh. So I'll minimize the window. This is the UC browser. Remember, I'm in the extension window. No, I was supposed to delete it. Yeah, remove. I'm in the extension window. So I will look for the specific file and drag it here. So let me scroll down. So here's the file. So just drag it over here. Give it some time. So once you drag it, you will get this: confirm new extension, add IDM integration module. So I'll click to add extension. Once I add the extension, I'll be taken directly to the Internet Download Manager website. So let me get back to the extension and allow incognito, allow to access the URL files. So our IDM is up and running, and we can test this. So I'll open a new I will open a new window, open YouTube. So let me try a given video like this Mercedes-Benz. Here goes the icon. So when you get this, you can download from this icon. So when you click this icon, you'll find the type of file that you want. So the quality, there's 720. So when you realize the quality you want is not here, like example, you want the 1080 pixels video, what you do is very simple. you come to the settings. When you go to the settings, quality, then you choose the 720. So the quality will be given to you according to the speed of the internet. So I hope all is done for the UC browser. So let's get back to the Chrome browser. So from the Chrome browser, I'll minimize the window. Then the same file, I'll drag it to the extension window of the Chrome browser. As you can see, I've been told drop to install, so I'll drop it. So when I drop it, I click add extension, and I'll be taken direct to the IDM website. So I'll just close it. So this means that the internet download manager has been incorporated in our Chrome browser. So we'll have to give it some permission that it needs. So we'll allow it in incognito mode. So just click allow in incognito mode and allow to access the file and URLs so that it can be able to download your videos and files. So to test this, we'll open a new window and get to YouTube to test. There goes my YouTube. So we're going to test this. So let us just open any video. There goes the download icon. So when you click this icon, the video will start downloading automatically. As you can see, I have only 360 pixels. So when I want a higher quality, I'll come to settings, quality, then select 720 HD. So this is a video of higher quality. So when I get back to the IDM, let me just give it some time, it should come. When I get back to IDM, you'll find it 720 HD. So that's the way to go, and from this you can specify the pathway you want it to be stored. Like I can just say desktop, save it over there, and start my download. So that will be start automatically. This depends on your internet speed. So you will be getting this error message each and every time. Internet download manager has been registered in the fake serial. So what you need to do is just to ignore this, cancel that. Once you cancel that, you will get another pop-up menu. Cancel this. This one must happen simply because you're using a cracked software. The software is not genuine. But if you think this is gonna give a lot of shit, what you need to do, get the cash, buy the genuine software. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful to you, please like the video and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Have a good day.